Andariki namaskaram. Thank you so much for your love and affection. Thank you so much. This movie is releasing on July 26th, right, sir? So I want to watch this movie in theaters with you. Okay, please watch it in the theater. Thank you so much for your love and affection. And I will do one live concert soon in Hyderabad. Okay, thank you. For you now, huh? Tufan, yeah. Tufan, my director, sorry. Tufan, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, sir. Wonderful movie. He has done excellent movie and he's a cinematographer come director. He has given excellent, brilliant visuals in the movie. And the plot of the movie will be definitely unique. You will definitely enjoy this movie. And thank you for this opportunity, producer, sir. Thank you so much. And we have done a wonderful pair in this movie. Thank you. What? Photo. Song. Which song? தமிழ்லையா? தமிழ்ல பேச சொல்றாங்க. தமிழ்லையா? எந்த பாட்டு பாடலாம்? ஆத்திச்சூடியா? நாகமுக ஓகேவா? டான்ஸ் ஆடுவீங்களா? எல்லாம் டான்ஸ் ஆடுவீங்களா? ரெடியா? 1 மூச்சு விடாம பாடணும், ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஓகே. மாடு செத்தா மனுஷன் நான் தோல்ல வச்சு மேல கட்டி அர்ரர்ரா நாகமுக மாடு செத்தா மனுஷன் நான் தோல்ல வச்சு மேல கட்டி அர்ரர்ரா நாகமுக அர்ரர்ரா நாகமுக அர்ரர்ரா நாகமுக. Thank you so much. Thank you. We'll meet soon in Success Party. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Vijay ji. Thank you so much.
Not enough. We need one more song from him. One more song from him.
Definitely, yeah. Sir, one more song. Any song.
That line theriyade. So I don't know the lyrics, but sorry. Idu vanda devulle kalisochina.
Such a beautiful, such a emotional song adi.
English lines, please.
So Bichagadu film nunchi Vijay gartho paatu meerandaru paadali.
vanda devulle kalisochina.
I know aa lyrics andariki telusani.
Yes, Bichagadu 3 2026 summer. Thank you.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు బిచ్చగాడు నుంచి మనం ఆ పాట విందాము. సో అందరూ ప్లీజ్, ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎవ్రీబడి.
So I'm going to sing Vanda Devule Kalisochina for you. Vanda Devule Kalisochina amma nilaga chudaleramma కోట్ల సంబదే అందించిన నువ్విత్త ప్రేమే దొరకదమ్మా నా రక్తమే ఎందించిన నీ త్యాగాలనే మించునా నీ రుణమే తీర్చాలంటే ఒక జన్మైన సరిపోదమ్మా నడిచేటి కోవిల నీవేలే. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So there is